Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla to inaugurate orientation program for newly elected members of West Bengal Legislative Assembly. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla will inaugurate the two-day orientation program for newly elected members of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly in Kolkata today. The program aims to familiarize newly elected members with various aspects of parliamentary and legislative functioning, including committee systems, financial oversight, parliamentary privileges, and emerging digital initiatives in legislatures. The Lok Sabha Secretariat said that the event will also provide a platform for interaction and exchange of experiences among legislators, presiding officers, and parliamentary experts. During the two-day program, a series of technical sessions has been designed to cover key aspects of legislative work, including how to be an effective legislator, customs, conventions, and etiquettes for members and others. The inaugural session of the program will be attended by Deputy Chairperson of Rajya Sabha Harivansh, Union Minister of Parliamentary Affairs Kiran Rijiju, Chief Minister of West Bengal Suvendu Adhikari, and others. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.